No way. You say,
Because we're making a race car.
Because we're making a race car.
Boss Racing.
So look at all the stuff that Hybrid Racing has sent us. It's Christmas. We're just inventorying everything, figuring out what we need, and yeah, we're gonna get going. So now what we're gonna do is this old tired B18 has gotta go.
So we're lifting up the car to drain the oil because if you remember from the last episode...
Oh wow. So there we go. Wow. That's not good. Where did the nuts go?
So yeah, where did the nuts go? Well, we're about to find out.
You didn't change your oil.
Shit, I thought I changed it. What do you like? How many oil changes do you think somebody doing track days should be doing? It's like once every few track days, once every track day.
There's a lot of opinions on that.
Yeah.
I would say every 2 track days. I know some guys that do it every track day. Like they do engine oil and transmission oil every track day. So I say every couple or 3 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
It depends, you know. It depends if you're driving to a track too or not.
Oh, they just decided to gush.
That was weird, huh?
That was pretty weird.
Oh, I see it in there. It is it.
No way. Yeah. Hello, little nut. Hey.
That's nice food.
You say,
Oh, good.
Mark is making quick work of these lower control arms, which are often a pain, but since he's the mastermind, he's making it look super easy. Right now, he's getting to the axles, which we're gonna have to remove in order to start dropping this engine out so we can get this project started.
Ta-da! Wow. So it's naked now and absolutely ready for the K20. So the engine is now out because Mark made quick work of it. And yeah, now we go on to, well, what do we go on to? There's so much to do. I mean, we have the engine right here.
We're gonna go through the engine, we're gonna get it all prepped and everything set up so we can attach the transmission to it.
Yep.
And then we'll prep the car for the swap. And then we'll get this engine in there, see if it starts.
He makes it sound so easy, but it's because it is easy to him.
It is.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all the stuff that we got from Hybrid Racing on this thing, and Mark went to Honda recently and got a bunch of stuff.
Well, since we're going to Unit 2 pan, we've got to change the oil pump in there. You got to change the baffle. There's, so we're going to change that along with the timing chain, the oil pump chain. Do everything to make this engine reliable, really, you know, so we can go to the track and beat it up, you know.
All right, let's start.
This is the water pipe that goes to the heater, which we're not going to run a heater, so this whole piece, we don't need it all.
And why aren't we running a heater?
Because we're making a race car.
Because we're making a race car.
So we're going to pop this off. We're going to put the seal in there, Honda bond it, put it back on, and put the swivel water neck on.
So thank you again, Hybrid Racing, for backing this build. But what we got is a nicely machined aluminum housing, and it can. So like, what's the deal with this? Like, how come this is better than everything else?
Well, it's good because when you do K-swaps, you never know which radiator you're going to run. Hoses they come in from different areas, and this you could swivel this to fit a number of different radiators in your K-swap car.
The nice thing about working with Mark is that in his amazing shop, he could find probably anything. Like, there have been a few times where it's like, oh, I don't have that thing. You're like, oh, I got it in the back.
Oh, we'll find it. It's in here. We have it.
He's got everything here. I mean, you've been doing this for like 20 years, more, right?
Yeah, more than that.
More than 20 years. The amount of stuff he's amassed is really impressive, and his shop is so cool. There's just a bunch of engines and transmissions sitting around, and you've got everything.
It's all Honda, yeah, all Honda stuff. It's not Honda, it's gone. Get it out of here.
Get it out of here.
We're just gonna snug these up, so when we get the engine in the car, we can direct it. So that feels pretty snug for now. The T-stat housing plug and bracket. This is used when you're eliminating the heater pipe, when you're not gonna use the heater core anymore.
Since we're not using our heater because we're building a race car, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up with this little bad boy. Ooh, satisfying click.
Looks so clean too, doesn't it?
And here's Mark's EG. He's super fast in this thing. And if your builder isn't quick, then how are they gonna know how to make you quick? That's what I always think.
I'm gonna take this out. We don't need this. This is for the air conditioning.
We don't need no air conditioning.
Nope.
Trash.
Junk.
So a huge shout out to Hybrid Racing. None of this would be possible without their help with jumping on the build. We just went down the list of their entire catalog, and they have so many parts for the K-swap specifically for this. And this isn't new to anybody that Hybrid Racing has been at the forefront of these K-swaps and has the best parts for it. But this is just to reiterate and kind of show that with Hybrid Racing, this isn't really a hard swap to do. In my case, I needed the expertise of Mark at Mastermind Speed, but for the most part, it's been pretty straightforward. We're still at the early days of the build, but things are moving pretty smoothly, and I'm excited to see where this goes.
There's gotta be something that comes out. Yeah, it's full. We're gonna take this oil pump off, and we're gonna put the Type S oil pump in here, because this oil pump does not work with the baffle pan that we have.
Besides needing to change the oil pump because of our new pan, the RSX Type S oil pump is a popular mod for those doing a K-swap because it greatly improves oil flow and allows for higher revs, which is exactly what we want out of this K20. While the oil pan's out, Mark is taking off the timing chain cover to, well, you guessed it, replace the timing chain. Mark suggests that you always get a brand new OEM timing chain when swapping in a new engine because more often than not, it's stretched and you don't want that.
Now we got a fancy new necklace.
As far as I know, this is the only tensioner on the market that has the double lock. So there's one lock on top, one lock on bottom, and you can see it face forward.
So here Mark is wiping down the mating surface where the block seals with a timing chain cover, making sure that none of that ends up back in the engine. Now he's applying new Honda Bond to the timing chain cover, which he has done thousands of times, but something I found pretty cool is that he lays down beads that kind of look like that stacked dime look with TIG welding. It is a cool technique that he's learned from decades that he's been in the game. And just like that, the timing chain cover is back on.
She's good. That's it. We have a beautiful Unit 2 pan from Canada. We had to pay the Canadian fees to get it, but it's well worth it.
And why this over any other pan?
Well, this is because it's a steel pan still. It's a Honda pan, and they've done their baffling inside, and you can't go wrong with anything with Honda stuff. It's the best right now.
Because on the track, I've seen a lot of Ks just like bust open their oil pan.
Well, yeah, the stock ones, yeah, they bust those open a lot.
Yeah, and if this being steel, it could kind of take a beating, right?
Yeah, it could take a hit and not crack. I mean, it is possible to crack it if you hit it on the right stuff. Enough pressure, it's gonna crack. Great to have something that's really strong. That can take a hit and you could at least make it home. I would definitely put one of these on your K. Some bolts though. This keeps the oil in the pan from sloshing, hitting the crankshaft, making foam.
So, oil pan done.
Yep, oil pan is. Just needs oil.
Boss Racing.